Now we are going to see a new chapter, perimeter and area. So this is the topic name, perimeter and area, but now we are going to see perimeter only. Look at this, perimeter. First, what is the definition? What is perimeter? You must know that. So definition of perimeter is the distance around the edge of a figure is called as perimeter. The distance around the edge of a figure is called as perimeter. See, look at this diagram. This is a what? A square. See, the distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. Means, so this you start from here to here, this is a distance, and start from here to here. So one side, two side, three side, four side, all the four sides called as a distance around the edge, starting with here and ending to this point. Starting this point to end to this point. Start to here and end to this point. So the distance around this is a diagram, this is square, this is a figure, that is what they mentioned. So the square is it's a kind of a shape, so it is called as a figure. The distance around the edge of the figure, so each and every edge, so four edges are there, so the distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. That means surrounding of the distance, so outside distance of the figure. Okay, it is not inside. Inside means it comes under an area. So outside the around, that means outside the what? Distance. Outside distance of the figure. Outside distance of the figure. That is what they mentioned. The distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. So this is a square. It is called as a shape. So, and also we can call it as a figure. So this one edge, this one edge, this one edge, this one edge. So altogether four edges. So that is what they mention. So each edge around the edge. So all the four edges distance is called as all the four edge of the distance of a figure is called as a perimeter. That means outer surrounding of the figure. Outer surrounding of the figure, that is called as outer surrounding of the figure is called as outer surrounding of the figure. That is what the distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. So this is shape A. So we have to find out how many units in this figure. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6, then 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12. So this shape A perimeter is 12 units. That means 12 centimeter. So each dot, so from this dot to this dot 1 unit, this dot to this dot is equal to 2 unit. That means you can call it as this 1 unit, this 2 unit, this 3 unit. That is what I tell you. So this dot to this. So from here to here 1 unit. Again here to here 2 unit. So that is what I mentioned. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, then 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit, 10 unit, 11 and 12. So all together the distance around the edge of the figure in this particular place square is called as perimeter. That means shape A perimeter. What is the shape of the figure is square. So square. The shape A perimeter is equal to how much? 12 units. So next one, the shapes are different but the perimeter is same. See, that means this is a square, this is a different what shape, that is called as shape B. I've given the name is shape B. So look at this shape, you just count the surroundings of the what is surroundings means distance around the edge of the figure. Surroundings means nothing but outer surface. Surrounding means outer surface of the figure. Outer surface of the figure is called as surrounding. So that means the distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. So each and every edges you have to join together. So 1 and 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what? Again here 8, 9, 10, 11 and this place, particular place is 12. So I've written it inside. That means this point to this point is 1. Okay, and this point to this point is 2. And this is what? This point to this point is 3. This point is 4. So totally this is what the complete surrounding. This is what surrounding. Outer surface of the figure. That means outer surface of the figure means surrounding of the figure, surrounding of the shape. That is what the distance around the edge of the figure is called as perimeter. Okay, now we are going to solve the problems. First we must know the formula of the perimeter. So we have taken two shape, one is a square, other one is rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. This is the rectangle diagram. This is 10 centimeter. This is what length, and this is what length, and this is what breadth. Okay, L means length and B means breadth. L is equal to what? Length, and B is equal to what? Breadth. Okay, that means L is equal to 10 centimeter. Again, so opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So breadth is equal to what? 5 centimeter. L is equal to 10 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle formula, please don't forget it. Kindly memorize this formula, 2 into L plus B. So now we are going to solve the problem. So you have to apply in this formula. So L is equal to what? L is equal to what? That is 10 centimeter, and breadth is equal to what? 5 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle, that means 2 into L plus B. This is the formula, 2 into L. What is the formula of L? What is the value of L? 10. What is the value of B? 5. So that means first you have to concentrate the bracket. 10 plus 5, that means 15. 2 into 15, that means you can get what? 30. What is the answer? Centimeter. Only centimeter you have to write. You should not write square centimeter or centimeter squared, because this is a unit is must. So you have to write the answer with the unit. If the unit is given in meter, means you have to write in meter. If the unit is given in centimeter, means you have to end with what? Meter. Otherwise they will reduce your marks. Unit is very important, but you should not use what? Centimeter square or meter square, or centimeter square centimeter, or what? Square meter. You should not use, because it is only applicable for area. But now we are going to see perimeter. So that is perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the answer? 30 centimeter, because the unit is given in what? Centimeter. So I end with centimeter, and this is the exact unit. So 30 centimeters is the right answer for the question. Next, perimeter of a square. So look at this sum. This is a square. So 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. All the sides are equal. You know that square. This is the property of the square. The perimeter of a square formula is equal to 4 into A. You have to what? You can add all the 4 sides. Otherwise, you have to take only one side. That means A is equal to nothing but side. Okay, even you can, if you want to add, means even if you want to add all the 4 sides, that means A is equal to 3 centimeter. You can write 3 plus what? 4 sides. No, it's for the square 4 sides. 3 plus 3, you can get what? 12 centimeter. This also you can write. Otherwise you have to use the formula that perimeter of a square is equal to, what is the formula? 4 into A. That means 4 sides. That is what I mentioned. A means side. So 4 into 4 sides you have to multiply. You have to 4 sides. You have to what? Here 4 sides. If you add the 4 sides, you can get the same value. Otherwise you take only one side of the value and multiply with 4. You can get the same answer. So 4 into 3, you can get what? 12 centimeter. Even you can add all the sides. Otherwise what? You have to use the formula. You have to what? Take only one side. This is A, and this is A, and this is A, and this also A. So the value of A is equal to 3 centimeter. So you have to take only one side value and you have to multiply by 4. Then you can get the answer is what? 4 into 3, that means 12 centimeter. So perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square, you have to write perimeter of a square. The answer is what? That means 12 centimeter. That's all.